Arro Card is a mobile-first financial card that typically connects to your bank account and gives access to spending power based on your financial activity instead of a traditional credit card application. By the end of this, you'll know what the Arro Card actually does, how it works behind the scenes, and whether it makes sense compared to other cash advance or credit building options. First, here's what the Arro Card actually is. It's not a standard credit card from a bank. It's closer to a hybrid between a cash advance tool and a spending card that's managed through an app. You link your bank account, and the system looks at your income patterns and account behavior to decide what kind of access you get. What that means in simple terms is this. Instead of relying only on a credit score, the app tries to understand how money moves in your account. If your income is steady, you're more likely to get approved for higher access. If it's inconsistent, access may be lower or limited. Next is how people actually use it. Most users treat it as a short-term buffer between paychecks. You can use it for everyday spending, then repay it based on the terms shown in the app. The key detail here is that it's designed to live inside your phone, so most of the experience is app-based, rather than tied to a physical bank branch. Now the important part. What to watch out for. These types of cards often come with fees or repayment rules that depend on how you use them. That means the real cost isn't always obvious at the start, so reading the terms inside the app matters more than anything else. It's also not meant to replace a full credit card for long-term use, since its structure is built around short cycles of borrowing and repayment. So who is this actually for? It usually fits people who need flexible access to small amounts of money and don't want a traditional credit application process. It's less useful if you're trying to build long-term credit history with a standard credit card structure. To wrap this up, the Arro Card is a bank-connected spending tool with flexible access based on your financial activity. It's useful for short-term cash flow gaps, but it's not a full replacement for traditional credit products. If you're comparing options, the next step is simple. Look at how each app handles fees, repayment timing, and whether it reports activity to credit bureaus before you commit. Like and subscribe for more breakdowns of financial apps in plain English.